Welcome to Business Legal Lifecycle TV, the live TV show all about the legal aspects of your business to help educate you on complex legal terms in an easy to understand manner, to help understand why you need to do certain things in your business from a legal point of view, and to help you develop a plan for the future. Our mission at Business Legal Lifecycle is to help empower all small to medium-sized businesses around the world to get access to legal advice so that they can help build their communities and make the world a better place. Did you know that any business owner is on average 7 months away from losing everything? That is the average time it takes from a successful business to fold when an aspect of their business is not set up correctly. Have you ever wanted to get legal advice but didn't understand what was going on? Do you feel like there is a divide between lawyers and their clients? Then this TV show is for you. It is all about empowering you and your business with the knowledge and tools to ensure that this doesn't happen to you. Business Legal Lifecycle TV delivers a twice-weekly show focusing on the legal aspects of your business. At lunchtime on Mondays, we present Fast Fix Monday, a quick 5 to 10 minute show that will give you some actionable steps to consider for the week for your business. And at lunchtime on Wednesdays, we present our in-depth show of between 30 minutes and an hour, where we go through complicated legal aspects of your business in a simple to understand, plain English manner. And whether that is through educational pieces or interviews with experts in their fields.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Fast Fix Monday. It's Business Legal Lifecycle TV. I'm Craig Mason. I have with me Jeremy.
Hi, everyone.
Thank you for joining us today. We'll be quick, given the title of Monday's show. And today we're talking about selling part of your business, which might be an interesting concept, selling part of the business rather than selling the entire business, which is what we've been talking about mainly so far this month. So Jeremy, do you want to explain a little bit about selling part of your business?
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Craig. And I think this is an area that a lot of people don't understand, that you don't have to sell your whole business. You don't have to sell, you could sell different aspects of it depending on how your business is set up. And the classic way to explain this, I've always found, is a rent roll. So for people who don't know, most real estate agencies will have two income streams into their business. They're going to have the sales, the traditional sales business, where they might sell or act as agent to sell properties around the place. And then they'll have a rent roll where they actually manage the property. Now, they're very valuable assets. I've done a lot of transactions over the years where people will sell rent rolls because they actually get a really good return on those. And I actually did an interview with a rent roll broker, if you're interested, in businesslegallifecycle.com.au/071. Kevin Hockey from Real Estate Agent Sales was the agent that I interviewed there. But so a real estate agency can maintain its sales aspect of its business and then sell off its rent roll and make a profit out of that. Now, other businesses could have a similar way. So a law firm could have an aspect of its business, say its conveyancing side, that it might sell off to another business. So different businesses can sell different parts of their business. They can also sell assets. So you might have a bobcat or a digger that you want to sell off as well, and that can form part of the business. So don't think that you have to set up this business all the way and get into selling the whole thing. It could be that it could be advantageous for you to sell part of the business to another business owner or to someone else in your business. So Craig, that's what it is. Do you want to go why you might do it? So why you might sell your business or part of your business, I should say.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks, Jeremy. So if you've determined that selling a portion of your business or part of your business is the best way to get the money you need, then obviously a sale may well be the right way to go. If you do not need the money for personal reasons, then the question to ask is, would the sale of the particular portion of your business make the bit that you're retaining worth more than the larger portion of the business if you were to sell it? So the question or the answer to that may well be yes in three particular situations that we see, at least anyway. So it could be that the proceeds from the sale enable expansion. That's pretty straightforward. You've got cash coming in for selling part of the business, and that enables you to purchase new equipment or expand the facilities or whatever it might be to make that smaller part that you're retaining actually worth more in the long run because you're expanding that. So if you're going to use it for the sale of the proceeds to enable expansion, that could be a reason. One of the other reasons that the sale allows you to access resources that would create more value for the part that you're retaining. So it might be, for instance, an example might be you might run or own tyre service, and the person who's willing to invest or purchase is owns a large fleet of taxis, which probably a bad example at the moment. There's probably not that many fleet of taxis, fleet of Ubers, and is willing to have you service the fleet. So the investment might be obviously mutually beneficial. So that could be one of the reasons, and those sorts of synergies, can also allow for cost reductions and those sorts of things. So you need to look at those as part of potentially selling part of the business. There might be benefits going forward. One of the other reasons might be that the sale would reduce the risk faced by your business. So if you're in a sort of an industry where it can fluctuate, you might be getting rid of part of it. An example going forward with what Jeremy said about property management and sales. So property management companies do well when the real estate sales are down because more people are renting. Obviously, real estate agent sales do well when homes are selling quickly. So these two businesses are, not working necessarily in the same cycle. So when one's up, the other one might be down. So that might be a reason to sort of reduce the risk by selling part of it. So if one or more of the scenarios I just spoke about is applicable, then selling a portion of your business may make sense. But we also, tell everyone to exercise caution with that, because obviously once you sell part of your business, you probably can't get it back. So you want to make sure that whatever you're selling, you're thinking about the future and what ramifications selling part of the business may have. So definitely something you want to talk to your advisors about. And look to the future and make sure what you're deciding on now is not going to have a major impact down the track. So definitely something to think about. Jeremy, do you have anything else to say about selling part of your business?
No, I think that's everything covered off well. I think the important thing to remember is that when you're selling part of the business, that you got to make sure that you get the right advice. So thank you everyone for watching Fast Fix Monday. As always, there are show notes. If you go to businesslegallifecycle.com.au/074, so 74th show, you'll find them there. If you've got any questions, feel free to like our Facebook page and make comments on there. We're always happy to answer. If you've got the question, you'll probably find someone else does. You can always email us, at lifecycle@jeremystretton.com, or you can make comments on YouTube or Periscope. So thank you very much for watching. Craig, anything final before we go?
No, thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.